Hey guys, Scott Isaacson, MarineMax Sail and Ski, and today we're looking at the 2012 Malibu 247 LSV. The first thing you're going to notice when you get on this boat is how much room is in there. The overall length is 24 feet 7 inches, and the beam is the full 102 inches or 8.6. Tons of room, very clean, and nice and deep boat, so you feel safe. And great for all the water sports, whether it's wakeboarding, wake surfing. This boat will be able to do everything for you. This 2012 Malibu does include a custom trailer. The trailer is by Boatmate. It's a tandem axle, has the nice wheels, but also has a spare tire and a breakaway tongue. So before we jump inside, I want to point out 3 different things. This boat is equipped with the ladder, so it's easy for everyone to get in and out of the boat. The boat has a power wedge, so very customizable on the size of the wakeboard wake or surf wave. And it's also equipped with underwater lights. As you see in the cockpit, there is tons of room. So you have a boat that's rated for 17 people. The 247 overall length is 24 feet 7 inches. So with that and 102 inch beam, you just have a ton of room. So even if you weren't into wakeboarding, wake surfing, you still have a boat that can fit a lot of people, entertain your family plus 2 others. But you have the nice recessed cup holders. Looks like 7 on the port side, and then you do have another 5 on the starboard side. And then real easy to read touch screens. So you have on the left-hand side your depth, air temp, lake temp, Rockford Fosgate stereo unit, and then Rockford Fosgate's speakers throughout. And then up front, you have this nice playpen bow, handles where you'd want them, and then 4 cup holders up front as well. So in 2018, they went and added the Sea-Dek flooring. So really brand new Sea-Dek throughout. Easy to keep clean and also is very nice on the feet. Handles the temperatures really nice. And then you have the Inmar. It's a 6.0 liter. And also, this boat does come with secondary ballast and a wake surf shaper. So again, just showing the depth of this boat. You have that nice back support. You feel safe in this boat. You don't feel like, a lot of the boats you'll have where the depth is not there. The depth is definitely on the wake setter, 247. And then also a nice feature about this boat is you have a nice place to sit when you're putting on your board, or just really hanging out, like anchored. This becomes a nice hangout area, and you also have cup holders and a stereo remote. Well, thanks again for watching. Right now, we just showed the 2012 Malibu 247 LSV. Very clean, very spacious, just living large. Thanks for watching. Feel free to call me at 512-450-8023. Thanks for watching.
Again, my name is Scott Isaacson with MarineMax Sail and Ski out here in Lakeway. We also have 2 other locations, one in Austin off Highway 183 and one down in San Antonio. If you're interested in this boat or any other boats, feel free to give me a call at 219-2712. Again, that's 512-219-2712. Thanks again.